Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to help you make the most of your smartphone. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 ways to earn money from your smartphone. So if you're looking to make some extra cash without leaving your home, then keep watching. 1. Participate in online surveys. One of the easiest ways to earn money from your smartphone is by participating in online surveys. Many companies conduct online surveys to gather feedback from customers about their products and services. You can sign up for these surveys on various websites and start earning money by sharing your opinions. 2. Download apps that pay. There are many apps that pay you to complete certain tasks, such as watching videos, playing games, or even just using your phone. Some popular apps include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and iPay. Simply download these apps on your phone, complete the tasks, and earn cash rewards. 3. Become a social media influencer. With the rise of social media, becoming an influencer has become a lucrative way to earn money. You can use your smartphone to create engaging content and build a following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Once you have a significant following, you can earn money through sponsored posts, product endorsements, and affiliate marketing. 4. Sell photos online. If you have a passion for photography, you can use your smartphone to take high-quality photos and sell them online. Websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn money every time someone downloads them. 5. Complete microtasks. Another way to earn money from your smartphone is by completing microtasks on websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. These tasks can include data entry, image tagging, or other small tasks that can be completed quickly. You can earn money for every task you complete, and the more you complete, the more you can earn. So there you have it, our top 5 ways to earn money from your smartphone. Which one of these methods are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.